My name is Hank Ryan. I am a lead welder slash trainer here at Holloway America. I started here at Holloway in 2018, I think it was 2018, as a helper on nights while I was going to welding school during the day. I met my wife in high school. We went to the same school from the same town. I played football, she was a cheerleader. We've been together almost 10 years, married for 2. We live alone with 2 dogs, and for the foreseeable future, I think that's the plan. I got started in this industry in 2016 as a machinist slash welder slash mechanic at a small shop where we designed and built pulling tractors. I got into it. A friend of mine knew I was a little bit mechanically inclined, so his cousin had this shop that they built pulling tractors, and they were looking for some help, so he recommended me. He said it was a really small operation. It was just me and the owner's son, so I got to fill a lot of roles and learn an awful lot in a short period of time, and every now and then I'll still go back and help them if they need some welding done or something. I first chose to apply at Holloway based off of the recommendation of some people that had worked at Precision in the past and had been around the industry for a long time, and they gave really good recommendations. So this was a great place to work, and if I wanted to get into this industry, that's the first place I should apply. Holloway is different from some of the other places I've worked for in the past in a number of ways, one of them being culture. You're treated with more respect here than you are in some other places. You're kept in the loop. That's one great thing I think Holloway does. Even just the physical environment. I've been through a lot of different manufacturing facilities, and this is one of the cleanest, one of the just best physical environments to work in. We're well equipped. The company doesn't spare many expenses when it comes to making sure you've got what you need to do the job. I've been in some facilities where there was 1 jib crane and 1 forklift for the entire facility to build tanks in, and it's evident walking around here that's not the case. In the years to come at Holloway, I'm looking forward to being able to be a small part of the growth of the company and to see where we can go in the next several years. It seems like Holloway's always growing and expanding. That's exciting to be able to be a part of.